Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 GMC Canyon Denali Diesel. These are extremely rare. As a matter of fact, I think this is only the second one we've ever had on our lot, new or used. They are that rare. Duramax diesel badging. So it's a 2.8 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel. Here's where you add your diesel and your DEF, diesel exhaust fluid. Here's where you put your plate. Really the two biggest, well, there's actually three. So there's three big giveaways, and other than that, you would never know it's a diesel. First of all is the sound. Second is the diesel badges on the hood. And the third is that exhaust pipe. Those are the only three exterior clues that this is a diesel. Interior, it's even harder to tell. You got your RPM gauge that only goes up to 5,000 RPM. That's a decent clue. And exhaust brake. Those are the only two. And the sound, really, from the interior, you can't really hear unless you're moving. But same interior as a normal Canyon, which is a compliment for sure. Bose sound system, because this is the top of the line Denali. This one is a used example with 23,917 miles. You may be wondering, so why would, when a V6 is available, why would I go for a diesel 4-cylinder? Diesel makes less power than the V6 in terms of horsepower. However, it walks away in terms of torque. This turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel produces 369 pound-feet of torque. That gives it a towing capacity of 7,700 pounds. Which, for a light-duty pickup, a small pickup like this, that's very impressive. Once you're underway on the highway, you can't really hear the diesel knocking away. Of course, being the Denali trim, sound insulation is great. Go ahead and activate tow haul mode so we can get some exhaust brake action. you can tell, once you activate tow haul mode, it is not afraid to downshift and slow this thing down. Overall, I'm really impressed. Obviously this is the first diesel I've ever driven in terms of the Canyon or Colorado. They are rare trucks for sure. We're very lucky to have one in inventory right now. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.